Nana Kwame Tua lived during the time when the British were trying to take over the Ashanti Kingdom in the late 1800s. He was not an ordinary man. He worked in the royal palace and was close to the Ashantikingdom. This means he knew many important secrets about the kingdom. At the same time, the British were led by officers like Captain W.F. Hodgson, who later became the governor and played a major role in trying to control Ashanti and seize the golden stool. In Ashanti oral history, Nana Kwame Tua is remembered as a traitor. Many believed he secretly worked with British officials, including men like Captain Hodgson. The biggest story about him is that he helped the British to get information about the golden stool. The golden stool is not just a chair, it is the soul of the Ashanti people and the symbol of their power and unity. Because of what he said to have done, the British were able to arrest and send away King Prempeh I in 1896. When later Hodgson demanded the golden stool and tried to sit on it, it led to the famous War of the Golden Stool in 1900, led by the brave Queen Mother Ashanti Tua. To the British, Nana Kwame Tua was seen as a helper and a guide, but in Ashanti tradition he is remembered very differently, as a man who betrayed his kin, his people, and his ancestors. That is why even today, the name Nana Kwame Tua brings strong feelings. His story reminds us that sometimes the greatest danger does not come from outside, but from within.
Don't worry, I'll give you a brief biography of who Kwame Tua is. Now, Kwame Tua oyɛ de hyekonkron fi menhia fikesi em. Ebesi nnesa wonnim na kɔbɔ Kwame Tua din wɔ menhia fikesi em. One way ya obenya amane nananom te a ana mpanyimfo te a obenya amane na Asante kuro ni mankasa ye mpani din ate na enye menhia fikesi em. Saa nso na ebesi na ye nto ne badin because ye kyerema ye wɔ version of Judas Iscariot menhia Asante for. Make Judas Iscariot and also be about betrayal into will betray a big time into ye nto ne badin po. Ai what Asante ni bia ye friend no ne din ede Tuada. Ten be I the netoto. Hey, wait, what's here, because of betray. Kwame Tua, or the home Barbara for the then governor, near friend is Frederick Hodgson. Now, or the home Bobo because of royalties, maybe Obina, Tines or your spy put the more. And 10 years that time, 2 for notice or nay, or 2 for Ajamai Prempeh the first. Dear plottings our Henen and warriors air plottiano. Now, Kwame Tua, and I'm so I get this year who been sick. Pabam, Wakash and another for Abrofono said the opposite need to them be Abrofin him the opposite. Menhia fikesi man na say eye Asante mem. And to we na one day Abrofono ko hunu no mo ka cha ne say ye be so ye kwachi ohene no. Na ye chi ohene na see a cripple the whole group. Na Kwame Tua say na mo kura de ne hamu ya. Mo kwachi ohene de ne. Bibi tu ohene no mo besi foforo. Obesi foforo. Mo ko omo golden stool eno na ye omusunsun eno na ye bo omachi do mo kwa na mo kwaje. Mo chi de amawie wo mo. And no Muslim was on by check golden stool now. Yes, and to our war, and I say golden stool go on by you. And when I asked and to I say, Mopenini movie or more pay. And the fire warning in our buying tea. A year Kwame Tua, or you betrayal. I Asante, you Judas Iscariot.
If you want to see more incredible ancestral histories of Africa's kings and queens stories filled with drama, action, legacy, and power, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. Who knows, even your king might be featured next. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more epic historical stories.